Once you've printed your printable gift box from ChevellyDesigns.com, you'll want to start by folding along each of the 4 fold lines. Then, using a pair of scissors, cut out along the outside edge. Next, you're going to want to cut along those 4 small cut lines. Use glue to construct the box as shown. Be sure to do a better job of using your glue than I did. You want to make sure that glue gets all the way to the outside edge. There you have it, an adorable small gift bag. If you'd like to fancy it up just a little bit more, you could hole punch the sides and add a ribbon handle.